the request? Oh yeah, back to the rich girl over there. Carmen, the rich girl.
I am young.
You're rich. But it's good to say you're rich, Carmen.
I'm healthy.
That's right. Thank God for that. Yeah, that's Carmen, guys. She used to work here, but now she got rich and don't, she don't feel like it's fair enough. She's too rich for that. But yeah, guys, the first Jamaican restaurant in the Dominican Republic. I've been here since 2010. Opened my restaurant. I've been here since then. It is the #1 restaurant in sosua. And also, I get the TripAdvisor award out of 8 million restaurants in the world. I'm among the top 10, guys, with the customers. Alright? So, you might pass and you don't see it crowded in here. But listen, trust me, you guys have no idea what you're missing when you pass by. No idea, that's all I'm going to say. I got a crew of consistent customers. And once the people taste my food, once they taste it, they keep coming back. So I have a lot of repeat customers. A lot. So guys, don't watch, as I say in Jamaica, don't watch the feed. Right? I just met a brother just told me that he always passed by and he always wants to stop by. So he said he never, some people say they didn't know it was a restaurant because of the way it's set up. So I'm gonna change that. Alright? And that's why a lot of people don't come inside. They don't know it's a restaurant. But anyway, this is Tuesday night. A lot of people down here in the other side. I don't hire girls to come and pull guys in my place. Yo, what up, big girl? Yeah, guys.
Come back and top on your child. You never know, say, me smart, serious, give the problem, can we attack again? I don't know, next time I not attack again. You know this can be us or them. The truth is making them one never eye.
Say bye-bye, Carmen. The rich girl, Carmen. Her name is Carmen, okay? Alright, guys. Catch you when you come down, right?